Okay, I will reset my Kubernetes clusters and all the things. Today, I myself, Ganesh. Today we'll discuss about replication of the clusters and all the things in different zones. Okay, first of all, I reset my clusters, Kubernetes and all the things in the two worker nodes. This is my master. This is my worker node. I will copy paste reset. Same. First, we need to reset in the worker node. Then we need to go to master node. Okay, don't go first in master node. First child, then go to parent. Okay, told remove manually, so I will remove manually. Same here also. Use reset my clusters, reset my Kubernetes. etcd is the database. No, Kubernetes consists of four resources. One is API and another one is resource control plane, another one is scheduler, another one is etcd. These are the four. We need to keep remember this. Don't forget. Okay. Now we are going kube adm init. This is the first command to init the Kubernetes. There is two. One is kube adm administrator. One is kube CLI. Keep it in mind. Okay. Sorry. Here is sudo kube adm init. Okay. This is, it says, this will error says like this. We need to root privileges before going to install. Okay. Now we are creating this one in master nodes. Okay. Later, this is configuration file. This is ownership. This is ownership. I did ownership. Later, later, Now these are the 4 components we are dealing with. These 3 is completed. Now we are we are apply this. Now we are deleting this. Okay. Now we are apply kubectl apply. We can save the configurations by using apply. Okay. This is the deploy the application. This is download and deploy the applications. And this is we have when we are using init command, it will show join command, right? To join the worker nodes. Same thing. This will run under worker nodes. Use before sudo. Okay. This also use before sudo. It will come start kubelet. Go to here, cd etc Kubernetes and manifest Kubernetes. Under Kubernetes, this is a folder structure. This is kubelet config vim kubelet config permission they need. So we need to use root vim kubelet config. This is the cluster. See API. This is the version cluster. This is the certificate cluster. After this, this is the IP address and name is default cluster. And okay, context, and this is the default authorization, and kind of this is the one of the configuration file, and user client certificate and a client key. This is the client key. Ls you can search client key is available as vim. What is the PEM client certificate? You can open and we can read or not. We don't just sorry permission denied. We are using sudo. This is the certificate. Root and intermediate certificates. Okay, we can merge into one certificate they given. Okay. After this, you use alias k is equal to kubectl k get node. Yes, this is we can set node. We all last class we already updated cluster, right? Same thing we update 1.30.14 also we can see. This is last class we updated. Last class we updated this command. After join, this is get node. This is kubectl. Brief description. This is my internal IP and Ubuntu is the machine I am using. Okay. After that, we can create pods. You can create pod kubectl run. Run means Docker run means container we can create here. Pod we can create kubectl Docker run and some properties are there and we can enter into that property Docker exe and container name is there. and -80 and 8000 column 80 is there. Now here Nginx is there on prod. Okay, like this we are creating pod. Okay, get pods. One pod is running. Okay, after that we need to go to here, assign the port number of particular pod. 80 is the port number. We can use Nginx pod kubectl get pods. Okay, we can delete kubectl delete pod. This is the pod name already created, but we can remove whatever it is. Pod is deleted. Okay, such pod is not there. Okay, and we can use this also. Okay, now we can see there is no pods running on this specific specific master server. Now we can create pod. Okay, created qk get pods. Yk means we already alias. See alias. Okay, like this k is kubectl. You can use alias, don't miss. Okay, and you can use instead of k I will use, you can entering into it to entering into the pod in docker swarm docker exe -8 container and container name and bin sh is there. We can use by using this. You can enter into the container. Here container and Kubernetes both are same. Here are orchestration and containers. This is the two different. Container is the Docker, orchestration is the Kubernetes. Okay, don't confusion here. After this complete, okay, now we are going to cluster administrations. This is upgrade cluster. You can use delete. Use sudo apt update. Can go to the admin cache. This will run under first to master, then we can go to for worker nodes. 1.30. Now we are going to our packages. Now we are going here. This is our I prepared this document. One dot 13. Again, sudo is mandatory. Now I will do upgradation of the cluster. I will do it. Now I will do 1.31. What it will do it? 31 is not found, so I will use 30, but I will use 14. This also not available. 13 dot 1.2. This also not available. Okay, you can use same command. Last time we are using 30 dot already new version. Already I have updated last time. So no issues. If any update, I will show you. Next class, I will show you how to update one version to another version of the Kubernetes. Okay, get nodes already updated. On the worker node. Okay, I prepared this last class, this document, upgrading the cluster. Okay. And we need to update class, no, update. After that, we need to install this. Already I installed it last time. Now, already installed latest version, no issues. The last class I installed. Due to my lab is not reset, that way it shows here. Now there is no downtime is there. Okay, you can use current existing user, you cannot do anything. New user, it will get affecting. Okay, that's it. K get pods, K get node. Okay, 80 minutes. Control pen is ready. Okay, ready. Hyphen help means you can get anything. API resources, API version, config, kubelet, commands. Okay, and one more thing, diff apply to under CP authentication logs forward and cluster and certificate rollout. We can see this command did rollout at the time. Okay, and expose create resource and controller. Okay, create control. Okay, this will completed. This is the master worker load. You can use worker. Okay, this is shared file system to distribute along with. This is the log analyzer purpose we are using. This is the core container. This is side core proxy. You can use side core. This is the side core. Okay, where engine is there, in not here, right? Engine is there. Okay, but engine is not in this. Okay, this is the sidecar. In the sidecar consists of different facilities are available like this. This also this is the good example. Sidecar, in the sidecar have, see, the sidecar proxy consists of container, and the core container is the middle is the core container. This is the core container. Side is the proxy containers and log scrap containers. And this is the side consists of and a proxy, and the proxy consists of and the logs also generating here. Okay, this is the example of and shared, and this is shared to all. Main container is shared to all entire the site cost and all things. Without without a main container, we cannot site container is not available, right? Main container is the main resource in this Kubernetes. We can use. See, API resource, it will get all roles and responsibilities, everything it will get, name, binding, everything. Now, explain prod specific containers. I will show you in detail this. And I am creating one folder. I'm creating one folder, mkdir workload and cd workload and creating folder pod.yaml. In this folder, I will mention this. I will explain the code, don't worry. Okay, see, one is API version. One API is kubectl resources is most kubectl and kind. What is kind? Pod metadata. What is the name? Nginx specific. What is the container? Nginx container and container name is Nginx 1.4 and port is container port. We can apply. We can use right containerization in the pod. kubectl run a pod name and hyphen nginx column 80. This is the kubectl containerization and apply of use. After everything we need to apply this. Okay, and cube get pod describe nginx. Can you sorry. Okay, we can not use this. We can use okay apply file name pod.yaml. Okay, get pods. See, nginx pod. Okay, after that, get pods. Okay, after that, describe pod nginx is the main. Okay, this is normal. In the kubectl, we can use K. K means Kubernetes. This is the root certificate. Okay, and we can use multi-container pod, MKDIR, multi-container pod. And you can use create the file vi pod.yaml or container can use container.yaml. What container means? We can use API or same multi-container prod and version where a image HTTPD image. HTTPD means web server image and name is Redis is the database and all the things are there. We can use WQ exclamatory and K apply -y container.yaml. K get pods. Okay, multi-container pods. Okay, 0 is 2. What is that? I will show you. 2 minutes back I created nginx. Okay, one by one. Now I created this. After that we can create init containers. Init means 1, 2, 3 n number of container. After that one is created automatically delete. One is created automatic delete and created ordinary wise we can delete automatically. This is the thing we need to get here. I will show you. mkdir init container cd vim init container dot yaml. Okay, after this we can use, what is the port number for API? 6443 is the port number. Now API kind of broad metadata name is purple. Purple you can create echo app is running and sleepy 360 seconds 30600 second sleeping hyphen that create the container. We can use container execute sleep command after creating. We can sleep such a time sh means shell script hyphen c. Sleep is 60 second image busy box warning, and like this we can use. Now qk apply hyphen I init container. Okay, qk get pods. Okay, purple. Okay, get purple. Okay, I will show you. Same my comment, but correct only, right? You can use K. Purple is running 55 seconds. 360 seconds wait, then it will update. See, initialization 1, 0 of 2, 0 of n, 1 of 1, 1 of 2, 2 of 2, and exit. Okay, like that, creating purple. Understand each and everything. Any doubt, ask me. After 60 seconds, it will automatically creating the purple. 60 into 6, 3600 seconds. Okay, keep remember this. You can sleep until 3600 seconds. Say initialization. Init means initialization. Prod is initializing one by one. Now one by one is running. Okay, first initialization running. Okay. Now understanding first initialization 2 by 2, 1 by 2 is 1 by 1 is running, 1 by 2 is run. Now I create sample file and I will run it. Okay, wait after 2 minutes. Now, can get pods. Yes, we can use alias k is equal to kubectl k get pods. Okay, multi-container is running. See, 2 by 2 is running. Earlier, it's not there. Initialization and running. After that, it also same ready. Okay, and go to worker node, create sudo and This is what is this means. API one kind of pod metadata, static, static and normal containers available. We can use normal containers in the real time. No static ports. Name web container port to port. What is the port? TCP. Okay. Now we can run this in static worker is running. See, two worker nodes. This is hyphen o wide hyphen o static. Okay. Now it will get running. Static web is container. Okay. This is worker node 1, worker 2, both. Okay. We can running this. I will show you this. And we can use get pods also. See, static container. This is, I will delete delete pod. It will automatically replica. Okay. Get pod. See, automatically replica. Okay. See, automatically replica. So I delete static delete pod name. I will delete n number of times. See, creating. See, running. It 2 by 2 multi-container is running. Get pods multi-container pods. See, 2 by 2. And hyphen o wide is the, see, wide. Name, reading gates and status running ready. This is the IP address. This is worker node 2. Okay. Like this, it will be used. Okay. This is the thing. If you delete also, no issue. Deleted also recreating. Now I am deleting in worker node 1. I am deleting in worker node 1. I am deleting. I am deleting. Okay. Worker node also I am deleting. Okay. I am deleting worker node. Now it's deleted. Okay. Now it's deleted for worker one. Now it deleted. In master, it will get automatic replica. Why this means? I will show you this Kubernetes. This is pod worker node it will running. Manifest metadata static means and a web and a port number. Nginx is the image container image and name is web port number 80 and the protocol is TCP. Okay, we can use Nginx or we can use IHS image anything. Okay, don't forget this. This is pod metadata resource one dot pod Nginx image and container port is 80, minimum value 100 milliseconds and CPU 250 and this is you can go to here and mkdir resource limit. Okay, and k apply -f source limit no issues. Okay, pod is created k get pods. See, resource one pod is created. Okay, running like this. In describe what is the pod. You can describe k this k describe get resource get pod. Okay, sorry, get pod name. No get remove get resource.ml is not there. R1 hyphen pod. Okay, sorry. Yes, is there. Okay, describe pod. See, R1 underscore pod default scheduler and SN Nginx already presented on the pod initialization like this. Okay, you can use like this. Okay, this is the orchestration kubectls and multi-containerization. And if deleted on static container and automatical replica in another zones. There are 4 zones are available. I will show. I have one diagram is there in personal diagram. See, this is my personal diagrams. In this diagram, see, in the pod is created here, automatica copy in this all zones. Okay, I have deleted this zone and automatically this zone is active, and in this get pod means automatically initialization and getting. Okay, this is the replica. If you create all are interlink, okay, all are interlink, this is the copy. Okay, they all are interlinked by using subnets, private and public subnets. There are four zones: east, east, west, north, south. Okay, these are the four zones. All are interconnected. I deploy any application here. We no need to go to entire server. This copy is this replica copy is assigned to into in the application copy in the sufficient zones. Okay, this copy and this is the copy and this is the copy and this is the copy, very fast. Okay, one zone is down in a maintenance, another zone is active. One zone is down, another zone is active. Like this is the main advantage of the replica. Okay, thank you for attending.